Alright guys, today is a new tool day. There are going to be more. Working on my brother's stuff. I got all kinds of new toys. We needed some spline sockets. So we got a set that's got metric and American in it. We're going to go ahead and pop it open so you guys can see it. This one's out of O'Reilly's Auto Parts. Let's see if I can find it on Amazon or something, but we'll open her up and see what she looks like. Box just flips open. Comfortable case right now. Nothing's locking it in place. Pop this one. Pop this one. I like tools in a case. It makes you feel important. So yeah, let's see what the ratchet feels like. Oh yeah, it's the same ratchet I got in my tool kits. These are good ratchets. This is strong. It goes through a lot of abuse with me. And they got the splined teeth. Goes all the way up to 3/4 and 19 millimeter. Very nice. Extension, spark plug socket, adapter to go down to the 1/4 inch for the 1/4 inch drive ones. Yeah, quick short video, guys. I'll put it in the description if I can find it on Amazon, or one close to it at least. Yeah. Is it going to click back in, or oh, I got to close it all the way first. Alright guys, hope that helped you out. Less than 2-minute video. Give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. Peace.